Hello, fellow human beings. Today is a somber day. For today would have been the day that I would have regretfully informed you that We Suck at Cooking would be closing production. However, we simply cannot allow you to go without food. So instead, today I will teach you how to make the ultimate in gourmet. I'm going to instruct you on how to create the ultimate, the manliest, the ultimate-manliest PB&J
in the world.
So to make this, to create it, you will need several ingredients. These will be hard to find. They will be hard to procure, but you will need all of them. We have here 2 tablespoons of creamy peanut butter. And of course it's creamy. You're man. You want it completely decimated. And here we have 2 tablespoons of red plum jam. Because of course it's red plum. Why would you waste your time with something like strawberry jam? Worthless! And here is the tour de force, the 2 tablespoons of butter. And of course, our bread, which of course is multi-grain bread, because why would you spend time with one grain? We have multiple grains! You're gonna need multi-grain bread, because of course it is! So the first step is to toast your bread, because manly men toast their bread. I don't want to hear any debate about this. I know there's hot contention over whether you toast your bread or not, and I'm here to tell you that if you're a man, you will toast your bread, and if you're a woman, you're gonna toast your bread. So we're gonna toast our bread, and there you have it. There's our toasted bread. If you are a manly man, this is toasted bread. However, if you are super hardcore manly, this is toasted bread. We're gonna start to spread the ingredients on this bread. And for that, we're gonna need a very special tool, a very distinct tool, a very special tool. This is a butter knife. This isn't a toy. You must be very careful. It's sensitive equipment. Just because you are a man doesn't mean that you're invincible. You have to use your brain. Butter knife. Sacred tool. You can take your butter knife and use it to spread your ingredients. Your peanut butter. Like spackle. Even and smooth. Your jam. This is a good start, but it simply isn't manly enough. So now, we're gonna kick it up a notch with a little bit of hot sauce. Now, the moment we've been waiting for. It's time to fry it like a man! And now, with our butter warmed up, it's time to stick our bread in there and fry it up. And there you have it, fellow human beings, the ultimate manliest PB&J. And now it's time for the taste test. So, we will require this exquisite knife. Beautifully made. Look at that, the handle. It's sharp. It's clean. Beware, just because you're a man or a woman doesn't mean it will not hurt you. You are not invincible. It's time to taste the ultimate manly PB&J. Oh my god, that's actually really good. It's a fantastic combo. You need to try this. Try it at home. Leave your comments down below. Let us know how you enjoy Ultimate Manly PB&J. I will continue eating this. There you have it. The ultimate, manliest, ultimate PB&J. I hope you have enjoyed this installment of We Suck at Cooking. I look forward to seeing you on future episodes of this program. Thank you for being here, loyal viewers. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell, for it is crucial that we stay connected as human beings. Leave your comments down below letting us know if you like the content you have seen here today. Would you like other ultimate manly foods to appear in your inbox? Remember to like and remember to share. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Oh, hey there. Didn't realize you were still here. So, obviously, we're not quitting YouTube. It's April Fools. Happy April Fools. I don't know if this is a common tradition outside of the US, but here in the US, on the 1st of April, we like to pull practical jokes. And this was one of them. We were pranking you. It's all good fun, classic ribbing. So no, we're not quitting YouTube. We love doing this stuff way too much. And the more you allow us to do it, the more shenanigans we'll pull. So with that being said, make sure to try the recipe, because this was supposed to be a joke. And myself and Juan, we realized that this was actually really good. We really enjoyed the manliest ultimate PB&J. Make sure to let us know in the comments if you think that Jay should do an even manlier version with some bacon. Thank you for watching, guys. Remember to like, remember to comment, remember to subscribe. Share our video, and hopefully we'll see you again soon on another episode of We Suck at Cooking. Bye, guys.